truly this will help Telangana progress in AI sector, and we hope that the wider use of AI enabled in government services and administration will improve their functioning and efficiency also, sir. Sir, there is also, sir, important, sir, there is also a need to train the government employee in the use of artificial intelligence so that they can easily adapt to technology of the future. And I'm sure, sir, अगर AI टेक्नोलॉजी इंप्लीमेंट हो जाएगी ना साहब, तो मिनिस्टर साहब की स्पीच का फिगर भी वही रहेगा, CAG का फिगर भी वही रहेगा, इकोनॉमिक सर्वे का फिगर भी वही रहेगा. But we have to train, sir. Sir, for this, necessary budgetary allocations have to be made for the deployment of AI in the state administration in the coming years, sir. I may say that the Finance Minister Saab could have avoided the discrepancy in data, figures and statistics in the speech, budget documents and social economic survey if AI was effectively used, sir. Sir, going further ahead, sir, about Mission Bhagirath, sir, a survey has been taken, sir, and I would like to just skip this, sir, and I will speak, sir. But just 1-2 sentences, sir. Rupees 2,500 financial assistance scheme for women under Mahalakshmi, sir. So lakhs of women have voted enthusiastically for the Congress party in the assembly election and also in the subsequent Lok Sabha elections in the state, as they were enthusiastic by the Congress guarantee by providing financial assistance of 2,500 under Mahalakshmi, sir. लेकिन वो गरीब औरतों को अब तक नहीं मिला है. मैं उम्मीद करता हूं, ऑनरेबल स्पीकर सर, कि हुकूमत इस पर भी गौर करेगी, sir. However, for all these schemes for women, the budgetary allocation under rural development demand is only 987 crores for DWACRA, zero interest loan, loan bima, SHG, accident bima, NSHG, and Telangana Mahila Shakti scheme, excluding the allocation SC, ST, SDF as per the budgetary documents, sir. Sir, coming now to the development of Hyderabad, sir. Honorable Speaker, sir, we welcome the initiative being planned by the Congress government for developing Hyderabad into a global city, sir. The Finance Minister Saab has announced a budgetary allocation of a total of 10,000 crores for development of Hyderabad. In this year, budget includes 3,065 crores for GHMC, rupees 3,385 crores for Hyderabad Metro Waterworks, rupees 1,500 crores for Musi Riverfront Development, rupees 1,100 crores for Metro Rail, rupees 200 crores for each Hydra and Outer Ring Road, and rupees 50 crores for MMTS, sir. So the Musi Riverfront Development Project aims to improve 110 kilometers of urban area by taking up infrastructure works such as recreation ones, people plaza, children theme park, entertainment zones, bridges, STPs, and along the Musi on the lines of Thames River project in London, sir. The Chief Minister Hemant Reddy Saab has laid the foundation stone for the metro line in the old city and extension of Shamsabad Airport, sir. So, Honorable Speaker, sir. Sir, I need an answer, sir. So the answer is, sir, in the year 2021-22, 800 crores were allocated for Hyderabad Metro. 2022 and 23, 500 crores were allocated. 23-24, sir, 2,427.35 was allocated. 24-25, 1,100 was allocated. Out of that, 500 was allocated for Old City. Sir, in all these years, allocations were made, but not a single paisa was released. हाँ, ये अलग बात है कि L&T के losses के लिए पैसा दिया गया था. Sir, they released the amount for the losses of L&T, sir, but the amount was never released for the Old City, sir. Sir, now also, sir, 24-25, 1,100, in this 500 is for Old City, sir, 100 for airport, sir, फिर वो survey 100 HMR के लिए दिए. Sir, now my question, sir. Sir, everybody, we had a foundation stone ceremony, sir. Honorable CM Saab had laid the foundation. I thank him very much for laying of the foundation, sir. It is a welcome move. But the question which needs to be answered is, who is going to execute the work? Who has been allotted with the work? Who has been asked to complete the work? Who has been asked to collect the ticket amount after laying of that corridor? Who's going to maintain that line? None? No? My friends from Congress were upset and angry also. Mr. Akbar, you never attended the Old City Foundation Stone. Yes, I say now. I say now, I didn't attend. The reason behind is that there was no agency which was given the contract to execute this work. This is how you lay the foundations? Without a tender being called, without a contract being given, without an agency has been given the responsibility of the work, you have to just lay the foundations? Is this justice? क्या ये इंसाफ है? क्या ये इंसाफ है पुराने शहर के साथ? फाउंडेशन स्टोन रख दिए, कॉन्ट्रैक्टर का आता है ना पता है. L&T says whatever amount was given to me was approved for the corridors. I have already spent that amount. I do not have the amount. I am not going to execute the Old City corridor. So the question arises, who is going to execute the Old City corridor? Why has the foundation been laid? Why has it been laid? कब तक हमको बेवकूफ बनाया जाएगा? सर ये सही नहीं है. मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि this will be corrected and immediately Old City Metro corridor work is going to start. Sir, it is very sad, sir. Sir, I welcome, sir. We understand that the Hyderabad Metro Train has declined to fulfill the obligation of laying the Old City line for corridor from Imliman to Falaknuma, sir. But at the same